Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Mapagania. It's a nil-nil draw, Mr. Mlambo. Umnandi.
Ngimnandi ntanga, at least sasine chance. We wanted a win. Disappointed nje kancane, but yeah, ngimnandi.
Yeah. In terms of the game, Intanga, talk to us.
I think ntanga we didn't play bad, you understand, because Durban City came with a plan, ukushaya low block, ukuthi singakori. We tried everything which we can, ukuthi siscore ngithola, but it couldn't happen. But I think we could have improved in terms of moving the ball fast. As much as we're creating a chance or si dangerous, mesingekho dangerous kakhulu. What I saw, umuntu bekafuna ukudlala uMbatha noMremi Makengena. The rest mebangafuni ukudlala ntanga. The way abosibidibidi mebedelay ibhola ngakhona, they were too slow mfethu, you understand? They were too slow.
So Mr. Mlambo, do you think ukuthi the result le Sundowns when they got beaten by TS Galaxy,
Sure.
So do you think it had a psychological impact on the players because of the performance that you saw today?
Yeah, it definitely did, and the pressure ntanga. Pressure nkulu. Today you saw it was a sold out, and naku Facebook kuyakhulunywa, social media platform kuyakhuluma. Players hear that pressure ntanga iyashaya, you understand? This game was pressure make it more than Durban City, you understand? Because we wanted a win, and everyone we thought we were going to win in fact, you understand? But it's football. I think in the next game Masia. We must understand, as much as we are relaxed, fanele sisukumisa ama-socks. Abosibidibidi, I didn't think they bafake effort epha, especially him. Ngipointa him out. Because sometimes nika-relaxe kakhulu noma sesifuna ama-goal. But in terms of ukudlala, sidlale grand, understand, angikhali kakhulu. But the way we were moving the ball. Shout out to Bodlela ntanga. Today he showed up ukuthi lead ntanga. Bodlela was the one also megafaka ntanga yangithola azama ukubonisa ama-chance. No coach mfethu, like he can also improve. Isapia ka Mariko noNdaba, it was unnecessary. I'm telling you, we don't need Mariko and Ndaba in that game. You understand? Yes, uSlepe ngezo bayakhala ngaye, mina angimsoli lapho, you understand? Because uSlepe udlale kamnandi, he could find spaces, makumela make mekamaka second balls, him and Mbatha, they were complementing each other well. Because you saw uMbatha umboneka engakhi phambili because of he knew that uSlepe uda, you understand? But masesifaka uNdaba, sesifaka uMariko, I think it was unnecessary. But we didn't have anyone else ukuthi simfake ebenchini, you understand? Ngamshaya coach, but I can also understand on that one.
Evidence wanna say today, how did you see?
I think the game was compressed. I wouldn't say he was good. I wouldn't say he was bad. I'll say like akatholanga amabhola apaya. Why? Because of ntanga Durban City came with a plan, and the plan worked. Ukuthi asivaleni ground. You understand? Relay na police, for me they were so frustrating ntanga. Because nabo mebayithatha kancane lento le. And they like ntanga they sembele kubo. Yes, uTita kadlalanga, but you saw he tried. You understand? But relay na police ntanga like ngathi mase bayitshela ukuthi sesifikile. Asikakafiki ntanga. The only way ukuthi sifike ukuthi score ama goals so that sizojabula sekhoneni. Yabona ntanga ngiphethe ibag la. Ibag le Mapagania. Ine cup le bag le. ine cup le plastic mebazothi mabesukumisa nami ngisukumisa manje ntanga le angisalikhiphanga sengisaba nokubonisa abantu because bazongihleka. Yeah.
Going to the Ovid College game, Mr. Mlambo, of course, in fact, you were confident going into this one. I predicted 4-0, you predicted 3-0. Goes to something crazy like 6, you know.
Sure.
But you see, this is a league title, you understand. When it comes to the crunches, in fact, like experience must come into play, you understand. The teams are going to plan against you, you know what I mean. So this one, Mr. Mlambo, is very important, in fact. How does our coach approach this one?
I think it's gonna be difficult to understand. Ngeke ukuthi Obits bakuphi. I think nabo basafuna ukulela ukuphuma ehlathini. I'm not sure seba relegated or what. But if they are not relegated, they want to come out of there. And ngiyangithola bona they have a lot of things to lose more than us. Now we want to win, bona they want to win ukuthi bahlale ku Betway kuzoba nzima kakhulu ntanga because nale results esibonile namhlanje yiyesithusayo. Mina I'm scared mabhakani, I do not wanna lie, but I believe kwabafana. You understand? I'm scared ntanga. Angeke ngokushashaya because today I was frustrated. Uyangibona like ntanga le mesengiyifuna. We've been waiting for this isikhathi eside. Kunebhakani elifikile la lasho wadu, please respect the badge. You understand? Respect the badge in terms of nabafana nabo they must respect the badge. Angeke sigayi wadu kuphela. Bonke ntanga. Ntanga mina ngisaseyintwana iPirates mayigcina ukuthatha lento le. I wanted ntanga to celebrate. I wanted to feel it. I don't know the feeling. It's been 14 years. Maybe now you don't remember the feeling because
I remember it.
Okay. Alright, sharp. You remember it. But like it's appeal. It doesn't exist. We need this one exist. After COVID. You understand?
Yeah.
Ntanga we had to win today but against Zagalanga. Let's do better next game.
Thanks Nangoma Shebupa.
Bopa.